Are you doing dishes?
Because I don't want to go upstairs.
Do you hate this?
I haven't been upstairs.
Oh no. Why you dump it in there?
So this is all this stuff.
Where's your scrubby?
That's everything.
Well, I'm certainly not going to cut your clothes.
Do you have bubbles?
And your filing system for all your...
Are those bubbles?
Shutter.
Are you scrubbing the dishes?
My bills, I just read them.
You scrub those dishes. You scrub it. Good job. Look at him doing dishes. Oh, you scrub those. You're such a good dishes doer. Wow. Oh, you scrub it. What are you doing? That yucky soapy water. Did Grandma give you a haircut? Yeah, Short.
And they're accomplishing. But what's your goal? And what are you doing to...
Don't drink that. That's yucky. No, that's dishwater. Yucky. You dump it out. Good job. You scrub up those dishes.
So this is the part where I show you the things you're doing wrong.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.